Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about 3 secrets to life success that will help you. In this video, I'll be going over 3 simple things that if you do these every day, they'll help you have a happy and successful life, because when you're happy, you're more likely to work harder, therefore you're more likely to achieve success at every aspect in life. Now, without further ado, here are the 3 things. I'll tell you what they are, then I'll go over them in depth. Number 1 is work hard. Number 2 is laugh as often as you can. And number 3 is love everyone. Now, I know that these might seem like these in the air topics, but in reality, I'm going to tell you, they will really have a positive effect on your life. Let's go into each one really quickly. Let's dive into each one. Number 1, work hard. Okay, you need to work hard in life. If you think that anything in life is going to be easy, that is worthwhile, or that is good, you are completely and utterly mistaken. You are completely wrong. If there's anything in life that is worthwhile at all, it's going to be difficult and it's going to require hard work. Now, here's what it comes down to. If you think about any of the quote-unquote best jobs in the world, like the jobs that everyone seems to want when they're kids, you know, doctor, lawyer, firefighter, professional sports player, professional soccer player, TV star, actor, actress. Like, if you think about all of those jobs that everyone wants, they are pretty much the most difficult jobs to get. CEO of a huge company. Like, if you think about all of the great jobs that people generally want when they're young, before they know about how much work is required, you know, there's a lot of work that's required. The hardest workers are usually the ones that get those jobs. And, you know, like when people realize as they get older, the work that is required, they tend to claw back and they don't really want to do those jobs anymore. Not as many people want to do those jobs because they realize that they're hard to get. So by working hard, you're going to give yourself the best chance to succeed. Don't get me wrong. There are many hard workers that don't achieve success in life, but there are also many hard workers that achieve every aspect of success in life. The fact of the matter is that you're more likely to achieve success when you work hard than when you don't. So work with the odds in your favor. The second thing, the second secret to life success is to laugh every day as often as you possibly can. Now, literally just take like 30 seconds right now and just laugh. Like, pause the video and just laugh. Like a real laugh, like right from your belly, like a real belly laugh, okay? Laughing actually releases so many positive things in your body, so many positive chemicals and hormones in your body, and it just makes you happier. And when you're happy, you're more likely to work harder, and you're more likely to get that job, you're more likely to make more money. When you're happy, you're more likely to lose the weight, to be fit, to attract better people. Like, just when you laugh, you become happier, and when you're happier, your whole life changes for the better. So just laugh every day as often as you can. Even if there's nothing to laugh at yourself. Like, if you like trip and you almost fall and you catch yourself, instead of being embarrassed and looking around, like, just laugh at yourself. Like, you're a funny person. I'm a funny person. Let's laugh at ourselves. I'm telling you right now, look, I'm getting the giggles just I'm getting the giggles just thinking about it. Just laugh at yourself every day. When you smile, you will be a better person. It's just as simple as that. Laugh at yourself, laugh with others, laugh as often as possible. The third secret to life success is to love everyone. Love your friends, love your enemies, love everyone. Listen, we're all put on this earth with different talents, for different reasons, but we all need to be loved. So just everybody that you know, just like them and love them. Whether you love them or you hate them, just absolutely love them. Like, love the fact that they're a human being and they're here and they're contributing to earth in one way or another. Even if it's the tiniest small contribution, they're still contributing to society and contributing to the earth. Even just by breathing, they're contributing to the earth. So just love everybody. It will make you a hugely better person. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the 3 secrets to life success that will help you. These are 3 things that you should do as often as you possibly can. They will help you be successful at every aspect of life. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.